Have you ever marveled at how fascinating it would be to explore and experience mesmerizing gifts of nature in the manner you had always desired? For instance, many of us have a latent craving to feel the rude and unsympathetic rocks by trekking over them, conquer the snow-capped peaks by brushing against the abandoned boisterous winds and swing in the lap of gushing ice-cold water. A terrific idea to turn such smoldering dreams to reality is a trip to the remarkable Himalayan region. Himalayas are perhaps the most beautiful, mysterious, complacent and intrepid well-wishers of the countries they border. Standing firm at their place, these immobile yet gallant warriors are recognized globally for more than one reason. It is not just their scenic splendor that drives people crazy, but the exotic activities in this region also magnetize people from all over the world. The Himalayan region is thus a hub for incredible divinely aura and multitude of adventures. The foremost and most popular activity in the province of skyscraping mountains is trekking. Trekking is an expression of human nature to attain heights despite of numerous odds. For many people it is a form of walking done to relish and survey the majestic beauty of hills and their surroundings. The Himalayan region that invites trekkers from every corner of the world is a host to numerous ideal trekking spots. The Annapurna Trek in Nepal, Langtang Valley Trek in the Himalayan National Park and the Everest Trek are the most admired ones. All the treks have their own bewitching features that instigate you to move ahead while knowing them. The Nepal Camping Trek and Nepal Tea House style are quite dominant styles. The humble and cooperative Sherpas, male residents in Himalayan region, are available to guide way and techniques to climbers. The second thrilling activity in the Himalayan region after trekking, rock climbing and the like is whitewater rafting. Rafting is a wonderful way to play with water and swim across all the ups and downs in life with courage. The Himalayan county is endowed with perennial rivers such as Ganges, the sacred Indian river, the Alaknanda, Bhagirathi, Zanskar, Kali and the Tons. The Ganges, particularly offers an enthralling rafting opportunity. Its perfect location on sandy beaches acts as a vent to the traveler's sporting spirit because games such as volleyball, rock climbing, swimming and kayaking can be enjoyed here. Fun and excitement never bids goodbye even on the shores of Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and the rest. The crystal-clear water of these rivers is also a host to numerous swimmers. Camping is even akin to an exciting and thrilling sport in the Himalayan expanse. It is a perfect style to experience the serenity enclosed by this region and also to fathom the district of bountiful mysteries with your family. While Chail is known for attractions like Chor Chandni Peak, apple orchards and deodar trees, Sangla Valley is popular as a luxury camping site and Tabo is frequently visited for the great Tabo monastery therein. Wild camping taken up here is also a form of camping that is basically a step towards an amicable relationship between human beings, wild animals and their habitats. This camping is quite informative and is an excellent way to teach love and respect for all living beings and environment. All in all, the world's youngest and highest mountain ranges have something to contribute to each of its visitors' lifetime memories. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe for more videos.